Goosh.
Baba's. Is it Baba Goosh?
No, not Baba Goosh.
The darkness and ain't no sunshine when you gone.
Horses wheel. We were asked to volunteer today. Mr. Penn, you gonna act right? As a volunteer, are you gonna act right? We're on our way to find our duties.
Gotta be still. There you go. Look straight. The other way. There you go.
Love, kindness, and ability.
It's only 3, right? Yeah, you were gone. You did the vow renewal. Do all the things.
Posting on the bottom was what held up the Christmas.
Interesting. It's a little stopper.
We gotta finish our movie though. The one we watched last night.
I didn't get left behind this time.